Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Right now, I will be discussing to you. No, we're done with results travel abroad. So this afternoon, I will be discussing to you the results homecoming, first homecoming. In significant years, it was during 1887 to 1888, pero earlier months of 1888. So actually, it was Rizal's plan, no? Rizal's plan to come back home. So it was early 1884. Rizal wanted to go back to the Philippines for the following reasons: no, financial difficulties in Calamba, dissatisfaction. No, these are the reasons: dissatisfaction with his studies in Madrid, and desire to prove that there is no reason to fear going home. No, niya. His belief that the Spanish regime will not punish the innocent. So, morning kay ang iyang reason, no? First, sa inyo nakita diri financial difficulties in Calamba. It was during that time nga na problem sa Calamba, no, in regards to asyenda system or the encomienda system. So, kana sa encomienda system kato mga asyendero wherein na mismanage nila, no, ang ilahang pagdumala sa mga yuta. So muna nga during those time also gubot kaayo sa Kalamba because of the kuano kana bang unjust treatment sa mga asyendero towards sa mga tenants. So ang uban kung malate og bayad kay dako kay tubo or else kung dili man mapalpak ang trabaho, pang-embargohon ang mga panghayupan or ang mga gamit. So it was during that time, no, ang pagbalik niya. Um, dissatisfaction, no, with his studies in Madrid. So dito siya nag-study sa iyahang kuano sa iyahang kining pagka-ophthalmologist, but of course part of that kuano gid siya, no, kamao na gid si Rizal nga mo opera sa mata. So the desire to prove that there is no reason to fear going home, of course, because for him, no, he know that ang iyang gibuhat is dili direkta nga pag-atake sa gobyerno. At the same time, it is murag bitaw na to siya class of playing safe nga style tong gibuhat ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Anyways, though for him, he is innocent, but in the eyes and ears of the kuan sa mga Kastila, so of course he is attacking the government, though specifically naara siya naligsan dito nga usa ka pari, no, nga si Father Damaso, and so the kuano katubang the reason why Father Damaso daghan na kay, no, nga mga kalambigitan, no, na itabo didto, but still he is attacking the government coming from the different priests, that is according to him, to them, because they examine the content of the Nolime Tangere. So his belief that the Spanish regime will not punish the innocent. So of course, he himself, no, he is confident enough to say that uh, wala to'y lain nga intention. So decision to return home after 5 years of his memorable sojourn in Europe, Rizal returned to the Philippines. So of course, no, it was quite a while nga nilarga siya dito for 5 years. And then, however, Rizal was warned by the following not to return the Philippines because his no limit ang hiri angered the players. So dito na, no, coming from his advisor, yung igsuon, no, and then si Silvestre Obaldo, whom happens to be his brother-in-law, and then Jose Maria Sicilia, so one of Rizal's closest friend. So Rizal was determined to come back to the Philippines to the following reasons. Usapod, no? To operate his mother's eyes, no? To serve his tinuod man iyang gioperahan ang iyang mata sa iyang mama, but it was not considered as 100% successful because the cataract of Rizal's mother is not ripe, no, enough during those times. Wala pa, dili pa ingon jud nga kanang kuan jud kaayo, no, hinog na kaayo. So manang Siguro na lang siya yung mga kuan ato no gipangbuhat nga to prevent nga dili gyud mo totally impaired ang mata siyang mama. And then also, his intention to serve his people who had long been oppressed by Spanish tyrants in relation to the land, no? Katugingon nga problem, financial problems sa Calamba during that time. Kay kurakot kaayo, no? Atong nga time. And then also to find out for himself how the No Limit Tanghiri and his own other writings were affecting Filipinos and Spaniards. Kay though it was being created there abroad, no, it was actually printed there sa kining sa Germany, no, Berlin. Still nakalat man to siya ang katong Noli Me Tangere. Also hoping no na naabot na siya across sa country, especially to the Philippines. Uh, it was not obviously written by a Filipino, pero siguro walay mga rason nga magduda ang mga katsila no anang nga time. Uh, Coming from the government of Spain, unya ang gi-emphasize dito nga political system, ang gi-emphasize dito nga sistema sa panginabuhi is actually reflecting the country Philippines, which was actually being oppressed before, no, by the tyrants. Okay. So next, to inquire while Leonor Rivera remained silent. So for your information, Leonor Rivera is Rizal's girlfriend, no? Nya nganong si Leonor Rivera nganong nagpakahilom nato nga time. But to tell you honestly, pakahilom si Leonor Rivera, it's because dili gyud ganahan uh, buto ang kaliwat ni Leonor Rivera ni Dr. Jose Rizal, whom happens to be kani si Leonor Rivera class if I were not mistaken. Sa ako pa na remember class murag naa na sila ko ano murag medyo parinti ana no. For them of course dili pwede, it's a forbidden love. Why? Naa naman sila kuan kadugo murag kadugo ra ba, so like dili pwede. Okay. Actually it was Leonor Rivera who knows the secret, who knows that they are relative with Rizal, coming from much closer bloodline. Okay. So Rizal left Rome by train to Marseilles, a French port, and boarded Gemna, the same steamer that brought him to Europe 5 years ago. So there were 50 passengers, no, and 4 Englishmen, 2 Germans, 3 Chinese, 2 Japanese, 40 Frenchmen, and 1 Filipino, who is Dr. Rizal. So when the ship reached Aden, the weather became rough and some of Rizal's book got wet. So in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, he transferred to another steamer, Haiphong, that brought him to Manila. So grabe din ni-travel si Rizal, no? Pag-abot sa Manila, no? Happy homecoming. May nakasugat ni Rizal. But of course, now when Rizal arrived in Calamba, so rumors spread that he was a German spy or an agent of Ottoman Bismarck. Si Otto von Bismarck class for your information, the liberator. He was the liberator of Germany. So mura sa siya og style ni Dr. Jose Rizal, no? And then becomes very famous during that time. So kanang oppression dai class no dili lang dai sa tuan hitabo. But of course, naa po na dito sa other countries. But what is the difference between them and the system that we are experiencing here in the Philippines is of course no dili tuwiran kayo ilaha dito. The liberator there in Germany is actually na dili giingon nga totality, the totality of kanabang oppression, the totality of deprivation is gi-experience yun sa mga tao, unlike diri sa Pilipinas nga grabe jud kayo no nga even sa education. So mo a Protestant, no, so mingon tag a Protestant, so of course it is a belief that kana bang ilahang gikuan no, ilahang gihimulag ang ilahang pagtuo, though they are also part of Christian but they are not a Roman Catholic. So meaning to say, of course, there are mga practices sa Roman Catholic na dili sila ano, they're not amenable to it, no? Dili sila mudawat. Okay? So a Mason. So of course, a Mason is for them they are those people who are actually kung kuan mata class mura bag pag mission na gani ilahan na nang gikuan daan no, ilahan na nang gitagdaan nga this person actually has the capability to unionize people. Oh, baka pagrupo siya og tao. So a masonry is a very very influential, just like what I have discussed to you before, no? Nga kung mason ka, of course, siguro no, for me lang ha, personally, it is one of the highest organization in the kuano across the globe. Tibuok nasod no kanang mason. Okay? Also halfway to damnation. So Pasiano did not leave him during the first day after the arrival to protect him from any enemy assault. So, and even his father, Don Francisco, did not permit him to go out alone because they know already, and even Rizal's brother Pasiano, he know already nga unsay gibuhat ni Rizal. So here we're going to tackle about the life of Rizal after he arrived in Calamba. So sa dito na siya during the time, not after. During the time that he was in Calamba. So Rizal established a medical clinic, of course, for but Rizal's first patient was her mother, no, young mama. Rizal treated her eyes but could not perform any surgical operation because her cataracts were not yet ripe. So he painted several beautiful landscapes. Of course, ang mga na-learn ni Rizal sa yung painting dito po sa gawas because he was also exposed, no. During that time simultaneously Rizal kana bang iyang gidungan no iyang endeavor in the aspect of kanang literature and also sa ihang painting. So part na no. He translated German poems of von Wildernath and Tagalog. So those are the significant events that happened during the time that Rizal arrived in Calamba. So Dr. Oliman, kasi sa Rizal was called this name because he named from Germany. So he earned 900 pesos in a few months and 5,000 before he left the Philippines. So, ano, the gymnasium was opened by Rizal for the young people because of course they know si Rizal, Dr. Jose Rizal is also a gymnast enthusiast, no? Kuan sa din humok sa niglawa si Rizal So he introduced European sports, fencing and shooting to discourage them from cockfighting and gambling because this is the bad habits that um kana bang ato ang namana no coming from the Spaniards kaning cockfighting o gambling no kusog kay manugal mao man diha man nato nakuha nila. And then of course now there is also a sad moments while Rizal was in Calamba. So Leonor Rivera Rizal tried to visit her in Tarlac but his parents forbade him to go because Leonor's mothers did not like him for a son-in-law. Oh, mo na, no? And then also napo siya kanang sorrow no because Olympia Mercado the wife of Obaldo, Silvestre Obaldo died because of childbirth. So nanganak ato niya, namatay no, sadly. Storm over the Noli Tangere. So diri na no sa ang storm. So diri na gisugod na og kumbate. As Rizal was peacefully living in Calamba, his enemies platted his dome, no? Itag platted his dome, class man nagisubaybayan na siya, no? So Governor General Emilio Tirero wrote to Rizal requesting to come to Malacanang Palace for what purpose. Could be there might be somebody that whispered his ear that the Noli contains subversive ideas. Pangutana, sir, na nakatabi, sir, how did those people actually know that it was Dr. Sir Rizal? Di wala sila completely kwan. Pero siguro, no, as per understanding na nako ani, uh, in a logical matter no in a matter of highest thinking siguro if you're going to magpagawas kag libro class of course naagi na siya author or else those name that he used as an author ang katong gipanggamit niya nga pangalan siguro naa lang sila idea no who is that person uh, a potential person to be kana bang assumpted nga mao ay naghimo ana no kay wa may lain no o may lain nga pwede mangisog. Um, Also coming from the backgrounds of Dr. Jose Rizal, a lot of them knows already that this type of kaning literary nga works is not made by an ordinary man. So mo na ilang naunaan siguro it was Rizal. So he was being summoned to actually report to Malacanang. So he explained to him that merely exposed the truth but did not advocate subversive ideas. So mo na iyang gikuan dito, he was pleased by Rizal's explanation and curious about the book. He asked for a copy of the novel. So he kanisi ko Emilio Tiriro, dili siya judgmental, but of course he listened first. He let the person actually explain for everything before he will actually make decisions. So Rizal had no copy that time but promised to send one for him. So of course, Dr. Si Rizal, in order to protect his name from becoming a bad light to anyone, he proved to the Governor General that those allegations against him are not true. So